Hello guys, it's a beautiful morning, and when I was taking my breakfast, it started raining heavily. But when I finished my breakfast, it stopped raining, but still there is rain. It's light rain, and when there is light rain, we call it drizzling. In Urdu, it is bundabandi. So it's soothing. Soothing means relaxing and calming. So the rain created a soothing atmosphere here. And it's dreamy. My village looks dreamy in the rain. Dreamy means soft and magical feelings. So it looks dreamy and enchanting. Enchanting means almost magical beauty. It becomes enchanting during the rainfall. I love walking in the rain, holding an umbrella in my hand, enjoying the raindrops on my umbrella, looking at the refreshing nature, and if there is a cup of coffee or tea, it makes it more beautiful. The view from here is breathtaking. Breathtaking means so beautiful it almost stops our breath. So it's breathtaking. So everything is green here. It's not that much, maybe after a few months it would be. So it would turn green. It would be green all over, and it would look so beautiful. And you can see it's picturesque. Picturesque means like a perfect picture. Oh, let me bring my bag just a bit far. So I have to move forward so that I can show you something more. I love walking here because it's beautiful. I sometimes come here to enjoy and to see the nature. In Urdu, it is called kachnar, and we can cook. So it's a village. 30 minutes, maximum 25 minutes away from the main city, Ahmedabad. It's a school, and you can see beautiful view from here. And cool wind is blowing. Blow means hawa ka chalna. So the cool breeze is blowing. And flow पानी के बहने को कहते हैं. Water is flowing. So now see the cool breeze. It's blowing. It seems that they are dancing. You can see the water there. So that is Tarbela. I guess you know this guy. Alright, let's guess what it's called. In our language, it is called Modi. I'm not sure what it's called in Urdu. So it was here, so I thought that I should show you. And so I'm just sitting here. I sometimes bring my diary to write something, and whenever I have something in my mind, so I write that here. And whenever I think that I should go for the videos, I start creating. So right now there is something in my mind. I have got an idea which I'm writing here, and when I'm free, so I would be creating a video. Now it's time to go back home. But I would show you sunset. Now you can see it's stunning, extremely stunning means extremely impressive and attractive. The sunset is stunning. You can see, Subhanallah. It's beautiful.